welcome back to today's video. So today I am doing something really fun, although when are my videos not fun? I am going to be doing another one of the makeup I bought at TJ Maxx and Marshall's for my subscriber. Last time I did this, you guys really seemed to enjoy it, and I do shop for my subscriber Marissa. She lives in Australia, likes all the things that I find, and she can't get the same stuff where she lives, and also it's a lot cheaper to get makeup here in the US instead of her getting it in Australia. And of course, just all the options that I can find here in New York are a lot more than she can find abroad. So, and she is absolutely amazing. Marissa, I know you're probably watching this. Her and her daughter are so sweet to me. They're so kind. I am super, super grateful for their friendship. I'm like getting emotional, you guys. And a side note, whenever I do kind of film these types of things, I always get requests from people like, can you shop for me? I wish I could shop for everyone, but unfortunately it's just not possible because then I feel like I would just be going crazy. So she's the only person I really do shop for. So I'm going to show you guys everything that I picked up for her. I'm not going to show you everything because there's quite a lot of stuff. Because the shipping is pretty pricey, I try and get her a decent amount of products that she wants before I post it and send it to her. And it does take a while for it to get to her. A lot of high-end stuff, mainly high-end stuff, a couple low-end things, and I do also sometimes get her some drugstore stuff as well that she's interested in. So let's get into it. If you guys have not subscribed yet, I hope you will. Click the bell button so you don't miss out on future videos, and let's get on into it. So if you guys want to find out how I did my hair like this, it is like a throwback little 90s hairstyle, little clip. This will be up on my TikTok and my Instagram, so check that out. So first thing I picked up for her is something I also got for myself, the Marc Jacobs The Face One Liquid Foundation Brush. This is a great brush, you can see it on this side. This was $12.99, so a great price. I have actually really been enjoying this for blending out my foundation. Such a classic item, the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask in Berry. I've had a couple people on TikTok say that they couldn't find this at their stores, which I was pretty surprised about because I literally find these every single time I go to Sephora. The only one I haven't found is vanilla, which is actually my favorite one. So this was $14.99. One of the best lip sleeping masks ever. I got her tons of Sigma brushes, and I have everything in these like little TJ Maxx tote bags. I'm gonna try and pull out as many as I can. I got her the F50 Duo Fiber brush, which is like, kind of reminds me of that MAC brush. I'm forgetting the name of it, but I used to be obsessed with it. I still have it. This was $16.99. There was that episode of Budget Beauty Buys, tons of Sigma brushes, and she loves Sigma brushes. The F55 Small Duo Fiber, so a smaller version of that brush, and this was, let's see, $9.99. This is kind of also a fun way to give you guys an overview of things that I found at TJ Maxx in case you forgot or anything like that. Just kind of fun way to show you. So I also got the E30 Sigma brush. And this is like a little pencil brush. It's going to be a little hard to see because it's kind of hidden. But this was only $5.99. I have literally so many Sigma brushes, so I'll go through the names of them. This is the E43 Domed Blending. This was $6.99. Also picked up for her the F15 Duo Fiber Powder Blush for $12.99. That's a really nice one. Sigma brushes are really great quality. I do have a couple myself. The Sigma, this is the E43 Domed Blending. Did I get this twice? I also got her the Anastasia. This is a nice brush. Brush 18 Precise Concealer Brush. This was only $3.99. What a great little steal. This is the E50 Large Fluff. This was $6.99. This is a great brush for like your highlight and blending out harsh edges, and also you could probably use this for a highlighter. P80 Precision Flat Brush. This was $9.99. This is like a nice little flat guy. And I got, let's see, the Sigma E55 Eye Shading Brush. This is just like a flat shader. This was $6.99. You won't be able to see that one because it's hidden. I got her the E70 Medium Angled Shading, which is like another flat shader brush. Also got her the E41 Duo Fiber Blending. This is like a Duo Fiber crease brush. This was $6.99. My desk is going to be an absolute disaster after I film this. Okay, I got her this Anastasia Metallic Liquid Lipstick Set. This has 3 different shades. This is really pretty. I think this is from last year's holiday. This was $12.99. This is a Japanese brush. I love their brushes. This is a Precision Baking. So this is actually nice for like eye baking if you want to like smooth out that edge and make like a nice cat eye, kind of like what I'm wearing today. And this was $3.99. I decided to do something a little bit different with my makeup today. I really like how it came out. And then I got her, this was an awesome set. I only found this once, the Urban Decay All Day, All Night Rebound Travel Size Duo. This was $9.99, so you get 2 little travel size guys. Definitely more of a rare find to find like Urban Decay setting sprays at Teach and Marshalls. Okay, I got her this big Too Faced Major Hangover RX. This is the face primer. I think this was $14.99. Yes, I was right. You know, you go there too much when you start to memorize the prices of things. For her, this is another rare find. I found this twice. 2 different stores, the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus in the Cherry Blossom, and it has the really pretty packaging. This was $14.99, one of my favorite, all-time favorite setting sprays. Wanted this Milani Intense Bronze Glow. It's this really pretty big packaging. I think this is really pretty too. This was only $2.99, you guys. What a deal of a deal. And this is in Sun-Kissed Bronze. I should have picked one of these up myself. Okay, she also got, I think there's a few of these in here, some velour lash sets. This is the starter kit in Mama Knows Best. So this was $9.99. You get a little tweezer and a glue. Also got the silk lashes. These are really nice. In Another Shot of Wispy, that's a cute name. These were $7.99. So if you guys remember when these started popping up at the stores. This one, what is this one? This one's called Worst Behavior. These are absolutely stunning. They're kind of like fluffier. Some NARS items. I found this liquid blush for her. This is in Luster. I think I have the powder version of this blush. This was $14.99. I also found the NARS High Pigment Longwear Eyeliner. This was $5.99. The shade is Night Porter. Japanesque All Over eyeshadow brush, another great one. This is kind of like the Anastasia one. This one doesn't have a price, but it's like nice and fluffy. We have the Core Organics Amethyst Luminizer. This was one of those clearance finds. I had picked one up for myself as well. This was only $2. Same one, except this one's in clear quartz from Core Organics. This was also only $2. I picked her up this Pro Small Stippling Brush from Sephora. This one's really nice. It has like a small little head. Okay, Lorac Alter Ego Lip Gloss. This was $3.99 and the shade is Girl Next Door, which I think is, let's see, I think it's a nude of some sort. She also likes nude lipsticks like me, so it's nice. This is, ooh, oh my gosh, that is my kind of shade right there. Do you guys see how pretty that is? This is the NARS eyeliner Atlantic. This was $7.99. MAC Satin Lipstick in MAC Red, $7.99. Anastasia Loose Highlighter in Peach Fizz. This was $5.99. Stila in the Buff Powder Spray in Illuminating. This was $10.99. She also wanted the Urban Decay Cherry Scented Sparkling Body Powder. This was $9.99, so that's a fun one. The Milani Bronzer XL All Over Glow. This was also $2.99. This NARS All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation in Siberia. This was $14.99. And I got her this single Urban Decay eyeshadow in Dark Horse, which was $5.99. Got her the Kevin Aucoin, the contour book. She really likes Kevin Aucoin products. This was $24.99. I also really love Kevin Aucoin products. I did a whole video on like his new holiday launches. Check that out if you missed it. It was so fun. And the Becca Glow Body Stick. This was kind of a unique one in Champagne Pop, one of my favorite highlight shades. So I guess you could just kind of put it all over your body. This was $9.99. Another Japanesque brush. This is the Buff and Blend. So this is like a nice kind of flat top brush. You could use it for foundation. Core Organics Calming Lavender Mist. This was actually only $5 yellow tag clearance, so that was a good find. Urban Decay Naked Skin Weightless Concealer in Fair Neutral. This was $6.99. The NARS Velvet Matte Lip Pencil. She likes NARS a lot too. This was an Intriguing and it was $5.99. Let's see, we got a lot of Milk products for her as well. The Milk, this is the Blur Liquid Foundation, which I keep finding so many of. I got her shade Porcelain. This was $11.99. I got her the Milk Kush Lip Glaze Gloss in Rosebud for $5.99. The Milk, this is the, I think this is the highlighter. Yeah, highlighter in Lit. This is $8.99. She likes Becca as well, so I try and pick up those for her. The Becca Luminous Blush in Dahlia, or as my husband would like to say, Dahlia, if you are from Brooklyn. This is $7.99. they add ERs onto everything. So like anything with an A at the end becomes an ER. I got her the Kevyn Aucoin Glass Glow Lip in Spectrum Bronze. This was $5.99. Lime Crime. This is the iridescent lip topper in Fluke. The Sparkle. Decay Brow Endowed in dark brown. This was $7.99. And this I think is, yeah, Lime Crime. Is it in here? Yes. Lime Crime Velveteen's lip liner. I love these. They are amazing. This is in the shade Drew. This was only $3.99. Highly recommend those. I also got for her both of the Anastasia sets. So this is, I think this one is, there's like fuzz on it. It's been in my closet. Anastasia lip set. Oh, I never looked inside this, but it's like all, I think these are the glosses. Yeah, I think they're glosses. So this fun set. This is the lip gloss set. This is, let's see, I think this one was also, yeah, also $49.99. So this one is High Shine Vanilla Scented Lip Color. I love the Anastasia lip glosses as well. Ooh, this is pretty. Ooh, look at that one. These are so pretty. And then I'll just show you one more bag of stuff I picked up for her. I also got her this Japanesque Luxe powder brush. This was $6.99. Anastasia loose setting powder for $12.99 in translucent. Urban Decay all nighter. Oh, this is another little mini setting spray, but it's actually like a little ornament, which is really cute. This was $5.99. I love that find. Too Faced gingerbread spice. This is such a pretty palette. This was $24.99. Back and forth between TJ Maxx and Marshalls. This is a Marshalls find. Anastasia loose setting powder in deep peach. Hello Fab Coconut Skin Smoothie Primer. This is the 10th anniversary edition. This was $14.99. I got her the Lime Crime Ultra Shiny Lip Gloss in Flaming Cherry. This was a TJ Maxx find for $5.99. And I also got her the Milk Makeup. This is the Gel Brow in Pale Ale. This was $5.99. Alright guys, so that is just a peek into some of the stuff I picked up for my subscriber at TJ Maxx and Marshalls. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. If you enjoy seeing these kinds of videos, seeing how I shopped for my subscriber and what she likes and just all the fun products at TJ Maxx and Marshalls, it's kind of like an overview, a recap of things found during Budget Beauty Buys, which I think is so much fun. That is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!